Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily change your display language setting on Amazon Music. Amazon Music allows you to change the app's display language or its site's display language to make navigation easier in your preferred language. First of all, launch open a web browser on your device and then type in music.amazon.com and search. Make sure you are logged into your Amazon Music account, and then once you are logged in, go to the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. From the expanded menu, click on Change Display Language. On the next page, tap the drop down and then select a language of your preference and click on OK. Soon after you do that, the website will refresh in the chosen language of your preference. You can always get back to the same page and then change back to a different language of your preference whenever needed. So that is how you successfully change the display language setting on Amazon Music website. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.